Yeah.
No, more like 310.
Alright.
Just you said you burn the tip up.
Well, it says it's down, I think once it established you were around 19 volts.
Is that right? That's not much.
I mean, 18 is like baseline. Yeah, you should be.
Well, that wasn't very good burn either. Let me try again.
Right there was 18 and a half.
That's a pretty good weld for me. Need some cutters. There you go, sir.
Alright.
No pressure, you're the professional.
Yeah.
I don't expect much. That's a cool helmet. You can see.
It's one of my favorite shirts too.
What'd you do? You lit yourself on fire. I smell it. Oh yeah. Something about the smell of cotton.
Oh yeah, it's definitely a different smell. It was buttoned right here.
You constantly right in
It
the
was
middle of
right
it.
here. And I was just like, oh my gosh, I smell it. What we can say is, that's why they have a top button on these things.
Yeah, so you do that.
You know, so that
undo it.
so you don't do this.
This is the little fire we had.
You know,
today.
and
You lose some chest hairs in that.
then it goes through that
right
one,
on through the undershirt.
and then it burned. But it didn't quite make it through
No
that.
tattoo for this one.
No, nothing. The chesties are still there.
You're a lucky man.
Yeah. All right, enough of this stuff. Let's get back to welding.
This one looks spectacularly good. This door?
Well, I didn't make the door.
Well, I mean the weld.
No, the door looks pretty good. You're right.
Yeah, I like it when you get it out to the top of the steel here.
Well, now that you told me that, I'm doing that for you.
Well, it's beauteous. Looks good. You go lower or higher?
Put this one underneath that piece.
Yeah, that's it. I like it. I'll probably do that. Another little hole. Oops. Yeah, I'm on by the case. Why?
Alright, apparently so I didn't learn my lesson. I got back up on the ladder. But anyways, enough of the welding. We've seen the welding. I made another video of the welding. So let's get on to some of the stuff that I've never done before. Like removing, what was it, 1,000-pound rudder or whatever he said it was. And it's just, you know, we remove it and then we put the propeller shaft in. And anyways, just go ahead, follow along. I'll give you guys some music. Alright, so I gotta say, it was actually pretty slick what Doug had going on here. We just had 3 different chain hoists and 3 different pick points, so we can pretty much move this fore, aft, and you know, whatever, front, back, left, right, whatever you needed to do, we could move it that direction. And then I believe he was on the inside of the boat trying to pin the shaft, the rudder shaft. As we moved the rudder up, he was pinning that up so that when we disconnected there's actually some bolt flanges on the rudder and that shaft that I guess the ladder or my wide figure there is blocking your view of. And so when that was pinned up, then we could take those out and we could set the rudder down on a board, and it would work out that that shaft would not drop down on us. Alright, so like we said, this is Doug. He's going to pin this, or block this pin up so that it won't fall down. First, that the plastic bushing there needed to be put back down, since when we lifted it, it actually slid the bushing, so he knocked that down. And here he's just going to put a couple of wooden spacers on that he can more or less put a clamping force on with this toe strap thing. Yeah, that. Loss of words, David. But there we go, that's how that goes down. Checking out Doug's handiwork here. Gotta just say, I mean, I know he's got a really nice foundry, but it's amazing what some people can do in their backyard as far as making castings and things like this. The craftsmanship is just outstanding on this.
Okay, I'll take the heavy end. You get the girl in.
Okay.
How do? That's not too bad. Of course, you okay? No, you got more drive shaft than I do. Don't do that. That's why it's so easy. That might take more weight. go down first here. Swing around.
Jesus. Right now, what you want to do?
You go in. Stay out. Well done. Rest. Let's sit on it. Shit. Anyway. So, I'm gonna get in here and I'm gonna pull and you're gonna push. Gotcha. Don't worry about the angle. Ready? Go. Ready. I moved a little bit. Ready? 3. 1, 2, 3.
How far did you want that thing in?
Oh my God. It's not supposed to do that.
It's just...
Damn, it went in like 6 inches too. Well, we hope it comes out, and it probably won't. We're going the other way.
Other way?
Great. No, we're not. Anyway, we gotta do it together. Maybe. You got your fingers in there? You ready? 1, 2. No, okay.
Oh, it came a little bit.
Did it?
Yeah, a little
It
bit.
did not.
Yeah, it did.
I need to get a rope on.
Like an 1/8 inch. Come on now.
Did it? It's working.
It's coming too.
The shaft, the bushing is?
Yeah, it's right
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah.
Still coming?
Yep.
Good. Dude, the shaft is galled up enough down there that it... There we go. That's what we do. Ah, we should have done that the first time.
Yeah, you live and learn, I guess.
Yeah, so we just put it up there. And then slide it in and it's done. 1, 2. Not all the way either. These a half. Oh, shit. Okay, I'm going to go inside the boat and lift. You get back here and push.
Okay. Yep.
They're numbered. That's 1. You should have 1 dot dinged on the top of it. Yeah, the number. Those
2
are,
on the top of it.
yeah, you're a 2. I'm a 3. Mine's labeled 2.
So,
Let's just turn it a little bit. We can rotate the whole thing a little bit. All right, we have. You think it's gonna fall?
didn't want him to. It's kind of sharp.
Yeah, see, it's hitting the top.
Yeah.
I think I just gotta cut this one down a little bit before I even try. Yeah. So I'll grind them off. That's a project for another day.
Alright, so after what seemed like a rather successful weekend, you know, only a few near misses, a burn, and, you know, falling off a ladder or whatever, we let the smoke clear and the dust settle, and it's time to cover it up and say our farewells. Da-da-da-da. Yeah, somewhere in there.
Do I look cold enough?
Probably.
You're just leaning a little bit.
Does it make it look crooked?
It makes my boat look crooked. Or maybe it makes my boat look straight. David thinks my boat's a little crooked here.
It is a little crooked.
You may be right. I'm going to get a level out and we're going to check it out. I got that at night. So, I may have a twist. I think it may be those legs. Jacking that up. Been a great weekend with David here. He's got a YouTube channel if you're into milling and lathing and
pretty much anything
bashing around the
manufacturing
garage.
related. If I can do it, I try.
He's actually a welding engineer, so all those that said, well, you ought to talk to a welding expert. There he is right there. So, what's your YouTube channel?
Let's see, I can be found at youtube.com/user/DFMMC2014.
DFMMC 2014. I'll put a link in the top of my video. If you're watching his video on this, well, you know where it is, all right?
Yeah. All right.
But have a good weekend.
And for the people over here on my side,
Oh yeah.
you know, Doug Jackson, it was a great time. I mean, I only drove out 4 hours. I've done dumber things, and
Yeah, for free.
yeah. No,
I take free labor. Anybody wants to come and weld.
Great time. If you have any time to learn something, you can always learn something, and that's why I come out and do stuff like this.
Yeah.
Is meet new people and learn things. So
this is the first weekend I've actually got to just run the grinder. I did touch the welder.
Yeah, that's got to be so nice for you just to grind all the time. I mean,
it actually is.
Oh.
To hear the welder running inside the boat when I'm not inside the boat, that is really good.
Yeah.
So thanks a lot.
So, yeah.
Appreciate it, man. It's been good.
And svseeker.com. So
there we are. Thanks, guys. Have a good weekend. That's good. You like that?